Hello everyone. Welcome to the Syed School. Today, we will learn about the security groups in AWS. What is a security group in AWS? In AWS, a security group acts as a virtual firewall that governs traffic to and from your EC2 instances and other supported resources. It provides instance-level protection, allowing you to define rules that control both inbound, incoming, and outgoing, traffic. Key concepts. Instance-level scope. Security groups are attached directly to resources like EC2 instances, offering fine-grained control over network access. Stateful behavior. If you allow inbound traffic, like HTTP requests, the corresponding outbound response is automatically permitted, even if no explicit outbound rule exists. Allow rules only. Security groups are permissive by design. You can only create rules that allow traffic. Deny rules are not supported. Default deny. All inbound traffic is denied by default. You must explicitly add rules to allow access. Rule aggregation. If an instance is associated with multiple security groups, all rules are evaluated collectively. Traffic is allowed if any rule permits it. Is a security group necessary for an EC2 instance? Yes, every EC2 instance must have at least one security group. If you don't explicitly assign a security group when you launch an instance, AWS automatically assigns the default security group for the VPC. Default versus custom security groups. Default security group. When a new VPC is created, it comes with a default security group. By default, this group has a rule that allows all outbound traffic but no inbound traffic. This means your instance can communicate with the internet, but no one can connect to it unless you add specific rules. Custom security groups. It's a best practice to create your own security groups with rules tailored to your application's needs. This follows the principle of least privilege, ensuring that you only allow the traffic that is absolutely necessary. For example, a web server would need an inbound rule to allow HTTP, port 80, and HTTPS, port 443, traffic. Security group limits and rules. Up to 2,500 security groups per region in Amazon VPC, default limit. Each security group supports 60 inbound rules, 60 outbound rules. Limits are separate for IPv4 and IPv6. A single network interface can have rules from multiple security groups, but the total must not exceed 1,000 rules. By default, an EC2 instance can be associated with up to 5 security groups. Inter-instance communication. Instances in the same security group cannot talk to each other by default. To enable communication, add a rule with source as same security group ID. The default security group allows all inbound traffic from other instances in the same group. Managing security groups. You can change security groups for an EC2 instance after launch. Changes to rules take effect immediately, no reboot required. That's all folks. See you soon. Bye.